See you on your mat.
On your mat.
Okay. Over here. Up.
The moment I've been waiting for. After the hard work getting in here, I built up quite the appetite. Got a simple dinner tonight, Italian sausages, and a baked potato, which I pre-cooked and I just warmed up on the fire. She's been really good. She sticks close to me in the woods. And when we get to camp here, she's good to stay on her mat if I tell her to. And she doesn't stray too far. She's always on the lookout though. This will be Lucy's first time sleeping under the stars, so we'll see how it goes. I almost forgot about dessert. Very important. A Mars bar. So I'm gonna fill my bottles back up with this hot water. Our bed area is set up nice and simple. Just threw out a few foam pads and my sleeping bag. Let it loft a bit. Good to go. Lucy's finally looks like sleeping. She's been on alert, but she's liking the wool blanket I brought for her. And I'll be right beside her in my -30 down sleeping bag. The last of the fire is almost done. I'm all bundled here in my sleeping bag. See you in the morning. We made it through the night, Lulu. We made it, Lulu. Good girl. You're a little frosty, Lulu. You're frosted up. Alright, finally out of my sleeping bag. I've got all my layers on. Just moving around right now to warm up. Got pretty cold last night. I think probably around -20. That's what the forecast had said, and it felt that way. Everything had a nice layer of frost on it this morning. And the snow is all hard and sintered up around camp here, which is good. I'm not punching through like I was the odd time last night. Lucy's seems like she's fine. She's patiently waiting for dinner. So that's next thing here. I gotta get her some kibble and a lot of water in her bowl as well to keep her hydrated. And right now she's chewing up a stick. Lucy, do you want to eat? Yeah? Let's get you some food, okay? Good girl. All right, well, that's a wrap for this short adventure. Thanks for watching.